Come here, spend time with me. No. What if I give you a seed? Okay. Bye. As your new king, I decree that it is illegal to trim toenails. You must bring me as many seeds as I want, and there will be no more bedtime. Are you listening, human? Oh, what a nice hat you have there. Honk honk honk. Smile, Alex. Look how cute you are. Here, you drop this. Heck that away from me. You got it. Gifts from chicken. Hey, I bet you $5 you can't fly through those open windows. No way. Those windows are obviously closed. That house has the latest in preventative bad window collision technology. I really need $5. Let me out. Shh, not right now, okay? You think I can be bribed with food? Well, you're right. I found this for you. Can I eat it? No, but it's shiny. And it'll make you the envy of all your friends. I want a preen friend. How do? Why? What this? Leg. Wait, hold on. Leg. Human doesn't scare me. I could take the fur beast with one wing tied behind my back. I ain't afraid of anything. Orange orb scary. Oh, please don't chew on that. Ah. No, my toy. I ambush fish when they swim near me. It takes patience, speed, and really dumb fish. To shops near me. Fruits and veggies, cut into small pieces please. I'm but a small and delicate creature. Bread. I can bite my human at 75C. Well, I could bite my human at 235C. Amateurs. What was that, punk? Amateurs. Human, open the cage this instant. I command you to free me. Thank you. Mop, how do we know what to eat? Well, partly from instinct, which we are all born with, and partly from the wisdom that gets passed down through our elders. Like your great-grandmother, Olwyn Bag Winnie. She's 3 years old. Wow, I want to live to be 3. Live in fear, child to fear is to live. Simple guacamole recipe, you will need salt, ripe avocados, lemon. Ooh, I hate this. Back off. I hate it, but it's mine. Leopard seal. Everybody run. Waddle faster. Here's food. Thank. Ah, food. Best thing. You know what else it is? Best perch. May I see your ID, blue boy? Oh, up. Flyer's license, Blueberry. Your real name is Blueberry? I'm getting into the season this year. See, I'm a turkey. That's not a good idea. Why not? Oh yeah. It's full of straw. Look, he's fake. And what if he wasn't? Were you just going to start pulling his insides out? Yes. Push. Yawn. Stop. Eagle only. Keep out. Bird law. 21. All human possessions may be destroyed. 22. Only one hand may touch at any time. 23. We the burbs deserve heckin' good snacks. 24. Harnesses are banned. Fight. Rice, actually cauliflower. Betrayed. Human, what are you doing? Dancing. Oh. Please stop. There are thousands of volts of electricity running beneath our feet. Really makes you feel alive, doesn't it? Woohoo. Scritch please. Me too please. We're always searching for food. And never pausing to appreciate the view. I'd appreciate the view a lot more. On a full stomach. Bird law. 25. I get all the millet I want. 26. Only I'm allowed to touch the laptop. 27. Seed Saturday starts at dawn, no later. 28. Wild birds are included in Seed Saturday. Fries. This must be a trap. Here still warm. How is that possible? Hey, you gonna save me any? What are you eating? What are you eating? What are you eating? What was that idea I had and asked you to remind me of? I forget. That's a shame. It might have been my best idea yet. Bird law. 29. Scritches, treats, etc. must be given on request. 30. Humans must reply to what doing immediately. 31. Birds must always announce the bin lorry. 32. House guests waive their rights to fingertips. What if we aren't the only intelligent species in the universe? What would they be like? Let's see. They'd need to be good at problem solving, and to have advanced communication skills, a social structure, self-awareness. The ability to fly? That goes without saying. And a strong beak, of course. How could you do anything intelligent without a strong beak? Spring is upon us. We must let everyone know. But they are all asleep. Then wake them. I think sunflowers are my favorite kind. Whoa, same. Shit, this bird might be the one. Recycling. It's easy to look down on everyone when you're this high up and a condescending jerk.